Hi, my name is Miles, and thank you for coming on Miles's Art. Today we're going to be drawing a popcorn. When we are done, this is what it should look like. And today, this video is sponsored by PKXD. It's this really fun app where you can play games and you can play with your friends and make your own avatar in your house. Okay, now let's get on with our drawing. We are going to use our black marker first. We have a choice. We can use our skinny marker, our Sharpie marker, and our fat marker. You guys can use whatever you want, but today I'm going to be using this one because that's what's easier for me. Remember, you can always pause the video. Okay, we're going to start as making a little diagonal line on both sides like that. And then we're going to connect it at the bottom like that. Kind of looks like a V, but not pointy. Okay, we're going to connect at the top, but we're going to do little zigzags like that. Okay. Okay, now we are going to draw a big circle. Then another one next to it, like that. Then we're going to draw another circle inside of it. Same thing with the other eye. Then we're going to draw a tiny one on the right there, like that. And then we're going to go ahead and color that in. Okay, and we still got to do the other eye. And remember, this is a hard part. I know I've already said this already, but this is a hard part. It usually takes a long time. If I might finish before you, so you can always pause the video. Okay, if you're done, if you're not done, pause the video. If you are done, we're just going to do a little smiley face right there. And then right kind of at the end, we're going to do like that. We're going to draw a little U with a line inside of it. Okay, now we are going to switch to our red marker. And no, we're going to switch to our black marker again. And we're going to draw a little like zigzag things so it looks like popcorns on the top, like that. And you can make them overlapping, you can make them however you want to, because this is not my drawing, this is your drawing, because you're drawing it and I'm drawing it, but we're not drawing it the same ways. We might get they might not look the same, but did you have fun? That's all that matters. So, I'm going to get on with my popcorn, because I have fun, and I want you guys to have fun with it, so I post videos of it. Okay, if you're done with that, it doesn't have to color in the lines. We're just going to take our yellow colored pencil and just zoom atop the top. Just zoom like bam, bam. It's okay. Just, you kind of want to get outside the popcorn lines. You kind of want it to get out of the popcorn lines. That's why we're doing this first instead of the marker, because okay, stop. It's okay. Don't color it all in. Just make it like weirdish. Now we're gonna switch, because look at this. It just looks like a box with a face compared to this. So if you were guessing what we're gonna do next, if you guessed we're gonna use our red lines, you're right. Okay, so right here and right here. So always gonna try, we're just gonna do little lines. Like that. And then keep going, but leave space in between the lines. So there's white between the two reds. It's basically a candy cane, but not shaped like it. There, like that. Let's keep going. Remember, don't forget the most exciting thing, like and subscribe, and keep your notifications on. So let me just close this. It's a lot. You just kind of just keep going and doing lines. But it's also a lot. And I'm going to give a shout out to I forgot what his name is. Shout out to